Good morning. Good morning. Right now, guys, I'm in the buy. Um, I kind of got on this live late. I seen a position and I went on ahead and got in. So this live stream may be quick. Uh, we had news just dropped 3 minutes ago. But it looks like it's gonna go against me. I don't like the way this pullback is doing. Let's see, get it on the hour. Yeah, so the break of structure right here where I got this white line drawn up. In this blue line is actually my buy position. So I'm pretty much thinking that the market is going to go up to my green area up here, uh, from here to here. If it play out like I think it will, like I'm hoping it will, today'll be an awesome day. Today'll be an awesome day. Right here is my running profit right here to the right. I took some positions earlier. Um, where I broke even on, made like 320, then turned around and lost about 305. But we still, good for the day. Especially if this position right here play out, it's gonna be real good. Just gotta control my emotions and just let the market do what it do. I'm in for about for one contract right now. The reason why I'm kind of confident about this trade is because I got this level of support drawn up at the bottom, where I saw the market really couldn't break below it. Also, right here, with this breakout to the upside, we just right in the retest um, on this back end of this 7 o'clock hour. So we should be good. We should be good. I just want the market to go ahead and fly, take off. Um, we still kind of outside of market open hours. We got about an hour before the market opens. Um, so it's not too much of volume in the market right now, but we'll see how this play out. Hopefully I'm done trading before the market even open today. I got in this position right after news hit like 7:30. It's about 7:38 now. What I'm really hoping happens right here is the candle that's forming right here engulfs this red candle, this previous red candle. If it engulfs that, meaning that this candle uh, goes past this red candle, then we should be good for highs, probably all the way throughout New York session. Be a nice payday. Yeah, we got about 21 minutes left in this candle. We on a 30-minute chart right now. Yeah, about 310. And right now the market is in a formation, what we would call a double formation. Um, like I said, the market moves in waves, W M's. W we buy, M's we sell, and it made a double bottom down. And that's really what gave me the confidence to even look for buys. So you can see the market is potentially making a W. And we on the third leg of that W. So this will also be considered like a reversal pattern, because you can see this big drop from right here from our area yesterday. This was the area of support that I drawed up on yesterday. Um, the market broke through this and it failed to drop below this area right here. And if we look left, let me zoom out to like the 4-hour chart. If we look left, we can kind of consider this a liquidity gap, which means the market dropped below previous lows. It dropped below previous lows right here, but it didn't close below. Plus, we get a strong 4-hour candle right here and go in pretty much all of this, all of these candles right here. So, yeah, I'm hoping for a strong push up. If I get that, man, we'll be good, real good. I'll leave that on the chart. Lay down to the hour. I'm also screen recording this trade on my phone, just so I can make better chopped up videos. I kind of break down the trade and get straight to the point. Also gonna leave the lives up though. Still gonna leave my lives up. My live sessions will be still on my YouTube channel, but I'm kind of cutting up videos for my Instagram and my Facebook. So we're just gonna let it play out, man, and see if it starts rejecting too bad. I'm gonna get out. Yeah, so it's formed a area of support right here, man. Um, I may end up having to walk away just so I don't close the trade too early and set myself up for failure. I don't want to say set myself up for failure, but I don't want to sell myself too short because I really feel like I'm in a great position right now, and I just need to hold it. The market is kind of moving slow right now, man, because we're not New York session just yet. We're still in what they would consider the London session, which is good for your Great Britain pound pairs, basically like all the Middle Eastern countries. It's pretty much business hours for them. So anything over like in Russia, Germany, like stocks over there, they're pretty much getting ready to shut down over there, and we're preparing for the U.S., Canada, um, South America, all those types of pairs. So we in the last 15 minutes of this hour, and I really don't want to hold this past 8:15. To be honest with you, simply because once the market opens at 8:30, it can do anything that it. Now I just don't want to be caught in a position and the profits that I'm gaining right now, I end up losing, trying to be greedy. I got a goal set in my head that I want to make today, and once I get there, I'm gonna be done trading. So right now, this candle has engulfed the previous two candles, which also gives me confirmation that we're gonna keep going up. So I'm up 500. If I would have got in on my normal two contracts, man, we'll be looking at about $900 profit right now. Because with the Nasdaq futures in the futures market, one contract is $5 a um, two contracts would be $10 a tick. So basically, what you're looking at now, if I was in on two contracts, it'll be double right now. And I'll show y'all a little trick that kind of like that's good for you. You can swap the candles to Heikin candles, which is basically just showing the momentum of the market. So on the regular candles right now, this candle is red, but with this Hitachi candles, it's showing you green. That's just how strong the movement is out of this zone. So yeah, man, looking to hold as long as we can without going into like drawdown. So maybe just be pulling back on the five. Yeah, I don't like this because it's giving me a double top on the 5-minute chart. So I'm hoping that this bad boy gonna break through, so we don't even have to worry about it like this. If it starts to do that, we're kind of trouble, you know. But I got confidence that we're not doing that. That's because we broke all this structure right here, and that we coming up off a level of. You gotta learn to trust your analysis and just accept the risk. Once you accept the risk, man, knowing how much you are willing to lose, you'll let it just play out. And that's just the mindset to have in life in general. Like if I'm gonna do something, I'm already gonna know what the potential loss could be versus the potential gains, and I'm focused more so on potential gains. If I was to lose right here, then I just take my L like a man or act like a trader. One thing I do know this market will do, it will humble you quick. It will humble you quick. Um, it'll play with your emotions, make you feel bad, all type of stuff. But we bet on ourselves right now. So yeah, we getting another form of support being made, you know. But as you see to the left, it did the same thing. Gave us a level of support. Then it just dropped. Even after we broke structure. Let's just, hope that that's not what's going to happen this morning. The news that just dropped, you can look at it, check it out. The building permits, housing starts in the court. That's CAD is the Canadian dollar, so we're not really worried about that. Oh yeah, we got 8 o'clock news right here. FOMC member Jefferson when he speaks, and then the industrial production. Then we got capacity utilization rates. Um, Orange folders is more so like an indication of something good coming out. Now, if it was red, that's a potential strong push up or strong push down. So just got to be mindful. We got about 20 seconds left in this 1 minute candle. Um, and I just try to trust my higher time frames, like this 1 hour candle, 9 minutes left in this candle, and I truly believe that we're gonna still be buying just because of this strong push out of this area right here, this range, and what we're getting right now is just a pullback, or a retest. We may drop all the way back down to my entry, which is this blue line right here, man. But we're gonna hold through these last 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Hopefully the market don't try to do us too dirty. But like I said, I truly believe we're making a W and we're on the third leg of that. So and if y'all wondering um, what account I'm trading with, this is the account right here. Let's refresh. Like I said, my goal is to make 3,000. And right now we're looking kind of good. On yesterday, I made 722. And as you can see, I got a 75% win rate, and you see I'm not losing much. The average losing trade is about $104. And as you can see, the only pair that I really trade is the E mini Nasdaq 100. If you want more information about the account that I just showed you, just hit me up in the Discord, man, or shoot me a message on Facebook. I'd rather you hit me up on Discord so I can answer for anybody else who may be interested in that account. And that account really is made for people that don't have, the capital to like put into the market. So it's less of a risk on yourself. And I'm gonna keep reiterating, man. I don't do this for my ego. I'm doing this to help my people out. People that are really, really trying to, change some things about their life, man. Like let's keep it a buck, man. Everybody want to make some money, man. If we keep it 100, like ain't none of us out here just rich. All of us out here basically living check to check, man. So when you start investing, man, you really got to swallow that pride and that ego. You really got to swallow that pride and that ego, man, and really like reach out to people if you want to know. If you want to know something, man, grandma always told us closed mouth don't get fed. And I'm really doing this off the strength. Like I could be charging right now, but why would I charge, when I'm making money myself? It's gonna come a point in time where I do have to charge because I'll be charging strictly for my time and my brain. Like y'all better get active in the Discord. Like nobody's writing in the Discord. I ain't really tripping about it. But hey, that's how people miss out. You know, that's what the Discord is for you to ask questions, for you to talk in, for you to pick my brain. You can take the horse to the water, but you can't make him drink it. And I'm not gonna force nobody to drink the water. You know, pulling back too much, man. Got about 5 minutes left in this dog. 4 minutes left. What's going on? Like I said, we can pull back to entry. But I truly believe we good. But just know I will hit this close position if it start tripping on. Like I said, we got some more news that's gonna hit in about 3 minutes. In about 3 minutes. So the previous news at 7:30 was negative. As you can see, it was red. But I'm betting that the market is gonna recover here this 8 o'clock hour. If it don't, then y'all will see me close my position. take my small loss. People probably like, man, why you ain't close your position when you was up 4, 5? Because I know the market. If it play out like I think it will, I get more than that. And it ain't just me being greedy. I'm just playing it based off market structure. Based off market structure. Because if I hold and it's a successful trade and I end up closing with $1, then what you gonna say? He was right. He's smart. That's one thing we do. We always Monday morning quarterback. What would you have done if you was sitting right here in my position right now, up 130 right now, when you were up 4 something, 5? I'm just trusting my analysis. Even if it go against me, guess what I'm gonna do? Close it, and I'm gonna be okay about it. Let's just see what it do at 8 o'clock. We got about 38 seconds though. Y'all see the red candles, but also look at this. Attention to this. It could just be retesting the top of this where it broke structure at. It could be. At least that's what I'm hoping. Look at that news. Down to. You gotta be saying something good. Whatever Jefferson talking about. I like this big rejection to the downside right here. I love that. Now let's see if we can continue going up. Let's see. Man, what Martin Luther King at, man? We need him to have his "I Have a Dream" speech. I wonder how the market was moving when he was having that speech back whenever that was. Let's see. May have been a negative. They ain't say yet. we got more news coming out at 8:15. 8:15. Man, I don't want to hold this to no 8:15. Then we got this right here, this Doji, man. Don't know what it want to do. Sometimes the market can be bipolar. But we are in a downtrend, and I'm pretty much playing for the reversal. Market flip. Um, now it's playing with my emotions. At least it's trying to. But I truly believe if the market wanted to continue going down, man, we wouldn't. It would have been took me out, made me get out. You just keep playing in this area. It did break through our support, but it is on demand. It's also on zone. Like I said, it did break structure right here. That's why I got this white line drawn up. It's for mental purposes. Let me get out of this 5-minute chart. Back to the 30. And if I can just get a push to right there, push to right there, boy, this would be a great morning. Right now, Jason. Got 45 seconds till this news drop. Just want to see how much it affect the market once it drop. And then we got the doggone open at 8:30. So I got to be ready to close either way. Telling you y'all, I'm really hoping I can get out of this thing before 8:30. and that's crazy. It won't even let me see what the if the news is good or bad. Oh, there you go. Still pending. So apparently the news isn't good. Yeah, we sitting in a drawdown, man. Negative 300. We're gonna see if the market gonna recover or not. I really just don't want it to break below this, to be honest with you. Down 395. And it's looking like it's trying to make me hold to the open. As long as we won't get 500. It didn't tap down back down into my demand zone down here that I got marked up. The market will tend to um, get real close to an area where you plan on stopping yourself out at and just going the other way in your favor. As soon as you close the trade, it's just start going in your favor. So, I done seen the market do some crazy stuff, crazy stuff. Been in this trade for too long, too long. See what I'm saying? Start doing some crazy stuff. 5 minutes before the open. That's why I didn't even want to be in here around the open. We got 5 minutes to the open. Y'all may see me go negative 500 today. If it break out the bottom of this bar, I'm getting out. Still don't want to show us now. Currently down 500. the volume about to start coming in too. But if we hold right here, if we hold right here, man, like when you got a big push up and then you got a pattern that goes down like a bullish flag pattern, 'cause that's what it is. It's a pole pattern. Normally, the price likes to break out to the top side, but we got 1 minute till the market open, man, and I don't really know what market want to do. So that's why I said I'm just gonna let it play out, because I hate to get out right when the market start going in my favor. 22 seconds. It's either finna melt badly against me or go very well for me. We gonna see. 2 seconds. There you go. Out. See, there you go. Now I want to go in my favor. Finna get back in. Let's see. Got back in. Now I want to melt. Yeah, it's done. Well, y'all guys saw me take a L, big L. I just want to see. Yeah, just gonna keep melting. But it's all right. So on the hour, so break it down for y'all what my thought was mentally. Mentally, I saw that. Go ahead, delete all my drawings. Mentally, I saw that the market was down yesterday, and it came down to this area right here. The market was down yesterday. It came down to this area right here, and it started raining. Then it dropped a little bit, came up, came back down to the same area, formed that support. Then this morning it broke out to the top side. After breaking out to the top side, I got for buys that the market is wanting to reverse and to this upside here, at least to test this area and fill in all these gaps right here. Um, but apparently we didn't get that. We didn't get that. So today was chalked up as a loss. You can't win them all. Can't even really be mad. It's just how it goes sometimes. Uh, it was in a downtrend, so that's not what I was trying to do. Market was in a downtrend, so I should have been playing it for sales because it never made a higher high. It kept making lower highs. This was the high of the day. It dropped down, but then it failed to break, you know what I'm saying, this area. So once it got back to this area, it went and made another lower high. Let me mark that up. Lower high. Lower high. Then it just made another lower low. So that's what we're looking at right now. We got the highest point in the market, you know, lower low, and we'll just mark this up right here as equal lows. Delete that. That's what I'm trying to do right here. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Lower low. Equal lows. The reason why I said equal lows is because all these lows right here are basically on the same plane. They didn't break each other. So that's what gave me the indication that the market wanted to potentially go and take out the highest point, but it didn't. Instead, it made a lower high. Then it broke through the equal lows to make a lower low. Now the market has to go on another lower high. It has to go make another lower high. So I was basically playing today on getting in on the buy to ride it up to wherever the lower high would be. But we didn't get that, at least not yet. And it's trying to pull back now. It's still playing because these wick rejections here. These rejections right here let me know that the market did not want to continue falling down. It did not want to break this area right here that is formed, that support that it formed. But this candle right here, what took me out of there, because I was actually on this candle earlier, and then got out in about a $300 profit, and decided to get back in on this pullback to ride it up. But this third candle right here is, really took me out the market. This third, and it may just continue dropping to make a to break this lower low, to make a even lower low. But I ain't gonna trip about it. I'm just show up tomorrow. Show up tomorrow. Because normally Mondays and Tuesdays set the tone for the beginning of the week. Monday, Tuesday set the tone for the beginning of the week. And then Wednesdays are normally where the market starts to reverse. And then we have a continuation of that on Thursdays and Fridays. So that's about it that I got. This live will be posted shortly for you to review. I wish I would have got those trades I was in earlier. The wins I got, that trade it by itself wiped all the wins out. I should have got out when I was up about 5, but I was trusting my analysis, and I can live with that. I can live with that. But we just show up every day, man. Win, lose, or draw, we live to fight another day.